The Tesla Model X Plaid is one of the fastest and most advanced luxury electric SUVs, offering futuristic features and exceptional performance. Electric revolution. More luxury SUVs are shifting to electric powertrains, offering sustainability without sacrificing performance. Advanced technology, fully integrated infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and autonomous driving capabilities. Personalization. Greater options for customization from interior materials to advanced tech features. Hybrid powertrains, a growing trend toward hybrid systems, providing more efficient performance while maintaining power. The future of luxury SUVs is here, with manufacturers focusing on combining high performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology for the ultimate driving experience. Off-road vehicles have long been associated with rugged power and unyielding performance, designed to conquer the toughest terrains. But in 2025, electric vehicles, EVs, are redefining this segment with zero emissions, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional off-road capabilities. Today, we'll explore the best off-road electric vehicles of 2025, showcasing their ability to handle challenging landscapes while promoting sustainability. Performance: dual-motor and quad-motor configurations, producing up to 835 horsepower. Off-road capabilities: dynamic torque vectoring, adjustable air suspension, and a 14-inch ground clearance. Range: 314 miles per charge. Technology: features a 12.3-inch touchscreen and the ability to tow up to 11,000 pounds. The Rivian R1T is designed for adventure, offering a perfect balance between performance, luxury, and sustainability. Performance: dual motors delivering 580 horsepower with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds.